debugging doesn't have to be painful. With SheerPower's built-in crash analysis, every critical failure becomes a window into your program's internal state. No special setup, no debug code required. From stack traces and scoped variable dumps to real-time snapshots and secure diagnostics, SheerPower captures everything you need to fix bugs fast, and fix them right. When a SheerPower application crashes, there's no need to add special error handling code just to figure out what went wrong. SheerPower automatically creates a crash file with the source line, the error message, and the exact call stack. You'll also get a snapshot of all variables and even open resources, making post-mortem debugging incredibly efficient. SheerPower doesn't have to wait for a crash to give you insights. With the show all statement, you can dump the current state of your program while it's still running, ideal for debugging elusive bugs or capturing live checkpoints during testing. Most debuggers lose all trace of a routine's local variables once it exits. But SheerPower retains those final values, letting you trace decisions and calculations made earlier in the call chain. This gives you deep historical context when debugging complex business logic. SheerPower uses a smart system called name-munging to link each variable to its source routine. This avoids name clashes and builds a timeline of state changes across your program, even when different routines reuse the same variable names. What if your program is stuck and can't respond? No problem. SheerPower includes a background listener that responds to external debug commands using the program's PID. You'll get a full snapshot of the program's state, even if it's completely unresponsive. SheerPower goes further by keeping your debug logs secure. With the nodump attribute, you can shield passwords, tokens, and other sensitive fields from ever appearing in diagnostic files. It's fast, automatic, and protects your app from accidental data leaks. SheerPower goes further by keeping your debug logs secure. With the nodump attribute, you can shield passwords, tokens, and other sensitive fields from ever appearing in diagnostic files. It's fast, automatic, and protects your app from accidental data leaks. Let's wrap up with what makes SheerPower's crash analysis not just helpful, but uniquely powerful. When a fatal error hits, SheerPower automatically generates a crash file that isn't just a stack trace, it's a complete diagnostic package. You get the exact file, routine, line number, the code that triggered the error, and, critically, all variable values at that moment. But the power doesn't stop at the crash. With the show all command, you can capture a live snapshot of your application while it's still running, perfect for diagnosing intermittent bugs or logging state during key decision points. And if your program hangs or gets stuck in an infinite loop, you're still in control. Just issue a remote debug trigger using the program's process ID. SheerPower's background thread ensures you get a full report, even when the main code is frozen. These reports preserve not only globals and locals, but also the final values of variables from routines that already completed, an incredibly rare and valuable feature that traditional debuggers just can't offer. And with the nodump modifier, sensitive fields like passwords, tokens, and personal data are scrubbed automatically, keeping your logs secure and audit-ready. For those using Visual Studio Code, SheerPower offers an optional extension with modern debugging tools, breakpoints, watch windows, and step-by-step execution. It's everything you need to debug smarter, faster, and more securely. Whether you're building mission-critical systems or just trying to squash a tough bug, SheerPower's built-in crash analysis is there to give you full visibility, without ever writing a line of debug code.